If you have headaches, you probably believe it's a neck or brain problem, but in reality, the way you walk could be causing it. Here's why and how to fix it. You see, there's two phases to walking: stance, when you're standing on one leg, and swing, when that leg is in the air. And when the stance leg is preparing to go into swing, first it has to get all the way back, which is called the terminal limb position, which allows the opposite leg to take a full step forward. But if your hip doesn't have the mobility to get into that terminal limb position, then when you step with this leg, you get stopped short, so your body leans forward to compensate. And being in this subtle lean during walking means that gravity is constantly pulling on your head and neck, producing headaches. To achieve terminal limb position, we have to mobilize your hip into extension and internal rotation, which you can achieve by kneeling. Make sure your hip is internally rotated, which you can do by swinging your foot out to the side, then shifting your hips forward, placing your hand on your butt and pushing, and then returning to the starting position and repeating like this, making sure that the movement is coming through the hip joint and not through your low back. Next, place a band on the opposite hip, and that will be pulling you forward as you step. What you're doing is you're using the hip that's standing, that's going into terminal limb position, and you're controlling the band from just pulling you forward. So as we do this, we can strengthen the gluteal muscles and the other rotators of the hip that help control you moving into terminal limb position and staying upright as you move forward during walking. So give that a try, and if you need more help fixing headaches, check out the link in my bio for my root cause quiz, which can help you further determine what's causing them.